Every dog has its day. Power is a blessing only when used to protect the innocent. When a true genius appears, you can know him by this sign. The dunces are all in confederacy against him. We have just enough religion to make us hate one another, but not enough to make us love. A wise person spends the latter half of life fixing the mistakes made in the first. No wise man ever wished to be younger. Words are but wind, and knowledge is only a collection of words, so knowledge is wind too. Vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. Books are the children of the brain. People are never more sincere than when they assume you agree with them. Vanity is often a mark of humility rather than pride. Don't set your wit against a child. Satire is a mirror in which people see everyone's face, except their own. Laws are like spider webs. They trap the weak, but the strong break through. To expect nothing is to be truly fortunate, for you'll never be disappointed. The lack of belief is a flaw. If you can't overcome it, at least hide it. Fools may not know their weaknesses, but many don't even know their strengths. If heaven valued wealth, it wouldn't give it to such scoundrels. The best doctors in the world are Dr. Diet, Dr. Quiet, and Dr. Cheerful. I never saw a man rise to greatness who lay in bed late in the morning. The more powerful someone is, the more dangerous their lack of ambition becomes. To be great is to be misunderstood, especially by fools. Flattery is the worst kind of insult. It pleases no one and offends many. Glory drives great souls, while self-interest drives the rest.